In this video we're taking an honest look at TrueKey by McAfee to see whether it truly lives up to being a reliable password manager you can trust. TrueKey does offer solid basics. It uses strong AES 256 encryption and a zero-knowledge vault so your passwords remain private, and its autofill and password capture features work reasonably well when everything is functioning smoothly. For light users, maybe with a handful of sites, it can handle the job. On the flip side, the free plan limits you to just 15 passwords, a constraint most people will outgrow quickly. The paid plan unlocks unlimited passwords but remains a bare-bones offering. TrueKey lacks important modern features such as secure password sharing, breach monitoring, vault audits, and robust two-factor authentication including hardware key support. Users have repeatedly reported frustrations. The browser extension often fails to fill passwords, signs itself out unexpectedly, or refuses to work on certain browsers, sometimes even locking users out arbitrarily. Customer feedback across platforms describes the experience as unreliable. One user writes the worst review they've ever had, labeling the app totally unusable. Given these drawbacks, TrueKey can be acceptable for minimal password needs, but for anyone managing many accounts or needing stronger security, it falls short. Don't forget to subscribe for honest tech reviews and hit the bell to stay updated.